Hey guys, today I'll be showing you how to install Windows 10 on your laptop for free. It's 2023. This should be basic knowledge by now, but don't worry, I got you. I'm your tech plug. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Okay, let's get started. Unbuggable, it's your girl, Wodalore. So today we'll be installing Windows on my cousin's laptop. The operating system that is there is pretty ancient. I think it's Windows 7 or XP, I don't know, but Windows 7, yeah. So the easiest way for you to install Windows, you have to make sure you have a flash disk that is at least 8 GB and it should be completely empty. Insert the flash disk into your PC's USB port, then go to Google and type download Windows 10 on the search bar. I have left a link on the description box down below that will take you to the exact website. Click on download now. Then wait for it to finish downloading. It's gonna take a few seconds. Once it's done downloading, open the media creation tools. I gotta prepare you, this is gonna take a while. It's not a process that you like stop and go, so just be patient with the whole thing. To proceed, accept the license terms. Because we want to save the setup in the USB flash drive, we are going to select option 2. Click next, then next again. Make sure the USB option is checked, then click next. Then select the exact drive you want to save the Windows setup in. For me, it's Wabuda. That's what I named it. Now we'll wait for it to download. This might take a while. You can continue using your PC, it won't affect the process, but I won't. I'm gonna wait. See you on the other side. The download is finally complete. Remove the USB flash drive from the PC, then insert it in a USB port on your laptop. Make sure the laptop is off, then power it on with the USB plugged in. If it doesn't pick up automatically, like in my case, consider switching the flash drive to another USB port because the port might be faulty. If it still doesn't work, turn off your computer once more and go directly to the boot menu by pressing F9, then select boot from USB flash drive. Click next. Then install now. Because my camera decided to do that thing, lol, I have placed screenshots to explain the process. Here you'll be asked to enter the product key. If you don't have it, don't freak out. Just click I don't have product key. This will only work where Windows were previously installed. So you can choose any Windows, but for this process I chose Windows 10 Pro because I know my cousin uses her laptop a lot and she uses a lot of heavy software, so I thought this would be best for her. Click next, then next again. For this I'll go with the custom install option. Then for the disk partitioning I'll go with the primary disk partition with the largest memory. So this too is gonna take a while, so just grab a cup of coffee and just sit and wait and be patient. Restart the computer and wait some more. And for the region I'm just gonna leave it at United States. Doesn't really matter what you pick, at least on my part. This is an ex-UK laptop, but I'm gonna go with the United States option, maybe because I'm more accustomed to the keyboard. Yes. I do have internet, but I'm just gonna go with I don't have internet option. Over here we're going to click on continue with limited setup and we're going to wait some more. Now give the laptop a username. My cousin is called Achi, and by the way she has a YouTube channel. I've left a link on the description box down below. You can go and check that out. Afterwards you're going to be asked to put in your password and answer a bunch of security questions. There were 3 security questions in total, and I picked things that are relatable to her and she can change this anytime. So you can turn off everything, but I chose to only turn off the advertising ID and just click accept. It depends on you and the settings you want to have. I also chose to accept Cotoner, but it's just a personal choice. You decide, you can choose not now. And now all we have to do is wait for it to get ready, and it's gonna take a few minutes, so sit back and chill. So as this process is going on, please don't turn off your PC. Make sure that you have a USB so that in case the power goes you're still safe. And there we have it, our Windows installed. I hope you have clicked on the subscribe button, given this video a thumbs up, and as usual stay unbuggable. Have a lovely week ahead. Bye.